Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's videos I'm going to show you how you can add elements into your desktop wallpaper project or any kind of project, to be honest. First of all, I already picked the color of the background. It's completely up to you. If you want to use different color, you can do it by switching like this, and as you can see, you can go more darker, or you can go, basically sky's the limit. But yeah, let's go with this one. And now how we want to add some elements into it. We go there, and in the top corner, there are a lot of options to pick from. You can go with cars or a car, and you see already a couple of cars showed up, but let's go with flowers because we can pick from quite a lot of them. And let's go with the simple ones like this. And as you can see, there is already you can arrange it how you like it. This is a very nice thing in Canva, that you can really make it look beautiful. Maybe a little bit of pace like that. And now your background is done, but it doesn't have to be. You can always tweak it like you want it. And now let's go for text. Also, you can pick from different layouts, and or save the date for someone getting married, for example. And it's a very easy way. You can obviously change the writings. So that's about it. When you're done, you just download the project, and that's about it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.